in south central Kent counties through 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, COPPA radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Exeter, 7 miles south of Coventry, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Warwick, Coventry, West Warwick, North Kingstown, East Greenwich, Richmond, Exeter, and West Greenwich. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Do not drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Avoid low-lying areas near small streams. Here